and today we're going to tour a Lazy Daze that our new friend Scott lives in. Come closer. Come closer. Hey, Scott.
Well, what a welcome surprise.
Hi, how are you?
How are y'all?
So, this is your Lazy Daze Class C motorhome, right?
This is it.
And what year is it?
It's a 1986.
1986. Wow. It's nice.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Scott has agreed to show us, so why don't you come inside?
Come
with us?
on in. Welcome to my hippie home on wheels.
So, tell us, how did you first acquire this motorhome?
Well, I got it from a Serbian engineer named Vlad in Los Angeles, and he had modified it. My family decorated it. He was a wonderful engineer, but a terrible decorator, so we put in these floors, which are kind of dirty, but not, but still, you know, cool. And my friend reupholstered these seats and painted these cabinets and put on little cool knobs. They're all different, which is so cool. Thank you, Jeff and Denise. And I have a swamp cooler that just runs off solar. Oh, you're looking at the floor.
We were looking at the cabinet.
Yeah. So I have this, so I can be
Wow.
right. So I kind of keep things
That
cool.
is nice. It does keep it cool. And where did you get the swamp cooler at?
Oh, that was gifted from Vlad when I purchased it.
Oh.
So he did it, and I'm actually gonna put another one, I think, over there.
Where you
I
have
have
the
just
fantastic
because I don't have an
fan.
air conditioner. As long as I'm not in humid climate, it's bliss. So, and I have, let's see, sink in the back under my Ganesh. So if I have a visitor, they can chill here, close the door, and have a sink to themselves.
And you have this really nice couch, which is a feature of a lot of Lazy Days. They have that great couch in the back.
Right, and when it runs long like this, it gives you room to do yoga, stuff like that. That was my yoga. That was my yoga move.
Oh, I love
And I
your
got a big old
space.
closet space. Kaboom.
Wow, that's a ton of closet space.
Yeah, right. And you can check out the bathroom. I mean, you know, to show your viewers. I got a bungee cord kind of doing the work for me, but
Oh wow.
you know,
big
yeah, with
window.
the window to keep things fresh and clean when, you know what I mean.
And then here is your toilet
See, there it is.
and the shower.
Mm-hmm. A Mucci shower curtain.
Straight
If anybody
from-
likes that Czechoslovakian artist.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And even though he lived in Ukraine. And yeah, my hippie home on wheels. Big windows.
Really nice to look out.
Mm-hmm.
Joshua tree.
Yeah, I'll show you the sink. It's kind of cool. Pardon me, while I move you. And my incense. Kaboom.
Oh wow.
So right. So this
that
is
was unexpected.
yeah. This is wonderful. This is great to have. Like I said, if I have a visitor, you know, who's staying with me, so.
And it's super cool that it then comes down so you can make your altar or put anything that you want on there.
Yeah, and I use this. I have the cajon that I use for like a second seat. You know, I mean, I play it, but it's not. It's also acts as a great little piece of furniture.
Oh, that's what you're
So
playing.
like I put it at the end of the table if I have friends there and there's not enough room. So I don't know. I mean, it's just an idea,
Cool.
but it ends up being a very functional.
And then you sleep up at
Oh
the
yeah.
top.
Let's complete the tour.
Complete the tour.
Complete the tour. So this is where I find my sleep.
How many times have you hit your head on the ceiling?
Well, there's a few dents. Yeah.
Do you feel like you get a lot of air from the vent?
This vent up here is great. I mean, this comes up on all the lazy days, you know, but I just leave it because I got all this padding on here because sleep is so important, you know.
Yeah.
So I got my gushy tops to keep me, you know, sleeping well.
I feel like I sleep more in the RV than I did when I lived in a house.
You think you sleep better?
Yeah, way better. I sleep on average like 9 hours a night.
Yeah.
And when I lived in a house, I slept like 6 to 7.
Oh.
So I think
Yeah.
it's actually being away from the city.
Maybe. You're just born to be nomadic,
Yeah.
possibly. But
Well,
yeah.
thank you for touring your house.
Thank you so much for sharing my home with me. I appreciate it.